Hey there, new headphone is here. Let's unbox this Watchout Borofone 2-in-1 headphone. But after the intro. Here's the box, and inside you will get the headphone, the hands-free set, the main body, some paperwork and warranty card, and the box, which is made out of hard rubber. And inside that you will get this, a micro USB cable and some extra earbuds. And I know what you are thinking, how to use this. Well, this main body has a micro USB port. All you have to do, just plug the headphone. Connecting device is also easy. Just press the power button and turn it on. Then open Bluetooth settings on your mobile and pair it. And that's all. I have tried connecting 2 devices at a time and it worked. I have also tried 3 devices which did not work. By the way, the range is quite good. The audio is even clear from 20 feet. It's a necklace type headphone. You have to wear it and you are all set. But how's the sound quality? Well, it's quite good. The audio quality is loud and clear. The bass is really good. The mix is also clear. The overall music output is really good. You can also attend phone calls with this, but the other person will get a low sound as the microphone will be hanging way down from your mouth. But what about this? Well, the story is different here. I got laggy sound and the sound was flat. No bass, no mids. In a word, it was terrible. But yeah, it's good for phone calls. Let's talk about the battery. I got around 4 hours of playback time. And one more cool thing, whenever you're gonna turn this on, it will tell you the battery level. The LED will glow red when it's charging. Now let's talk about the build. The headphone is comfortable and it will stick into your ears. It is water resistant, which means you can wear this anywhere. But the wires are coated with plastic, which looks cheap. And also everything is made out of plastic except this. These are metal, or seems to be metal. One more thing, when someone calls you, it will say the number instead of the contact name. Anyway, they have priced this at 2000 Indian rupees, and I don't think you will get any 2-in-1 headphone on the market except this. If I ever gonna buy this, I'll buy for the headphone, not because of this. Well, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys later, most probably next month.